Hello, I am your host from Micro Macro Trader community. Today, Blofin Exchange is going head to head with Bybit Exchange. Blofin Exchange was launched in 2023 and Bybit was launched in 2018. And we are going to compare both the exchanges. And if you want to check out the best possible deposit bonuses while registering on this exchange, you can check the links in the description below. Blofin is offering 5,000 USDT deposit bonus and Bybit is offering 5,050 USDT deposit bonus right now. So let's get started. This is how the gist of both the exchanges look like. Blofin was launched in 2023. Bybit was launched in 2018. The number of markets supported on Blofin is about 350 to 400 and Bybit is having 1800 number of markets. KYC, if we speak about, which is very important while registering on any crypto exchange, Blofin does not require any mandatory KYC, whereas Bybit requires KYC even for smaller amounts if you want to start trading on Bybit. At a glance, Bybit is having 60 million users in 195 countries and they are offering 24/7 customer support and they are having a $36 billion of average trading volume in last 24 hours. And if we speak about Blofin, it was actually launched in 2019, but in 2023, it was relaunched with a focus towards crypto futures trading. It is offering its services in 150 plus countries and region, and Blofin is one of the exchanges which is a no KYC exchange. It serves major regions of EU, UK, but right now it is not supporting US market. If we speak about the trading volume, which is very important, if you want to place your trades, whether it is spot or futures, you need decent liquidity so that there are no order slippages while you're trading on any of the exchanges. So Blofin right now is having 17 million spot trading volume in last 24 hours and is having 1.3 billion in derivatives trading. Blofin is having 1.3 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. It is a specialized exchange focusing towards perpetual contracts and 1.3 billion is a very healthy volume. Speaking of Bybit, it is having $3.3 billion spot trading volume and derivative side, it is having 26.8 billion volume in last 24 hours. So if I speak about my own personal choice, I have been placing trades on both the exchanges and I find the user interface of Blofin little more user friendly and the trading volume is also very healthy. So I am placing 30 to 40% of my trades on Blofin exchange, but the rest 40 to 60% trades I am placing on Bybit exchange because of the higher liquidity it is offering. Moving ahead, if we speak about KYC, there are three levels of KYC in Bybit: standard, advanced and pro. For standard KYC, identity assessment by providing your full name, your email address and your phone number is required, and your proof of identity using any government approved photo ID is important for standard KYC. Advanced KYC, you have to give proof of address in addition to the things that they have asked in the standard KYC. In the pro KYC, you need to go through a NS due diligence where your video verification will be done, and KYC verification usually takes 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes for NS KYC, they may take up to 48 hours also. Speaking of the KYC of Blofin exchange, it is having three levels of KYC: level 0, level 1 and level 2. The basic KYC is level 0, and with this you are allowed up to $20,000 withdrawal limits and you can trade futures and spot unlimited in this KYC. Personal information verification, which is the level 1 KYC, you get 1 million withdrawal limit and you need to submit your government approved ID and your ID number for your verification. The another enhanced level KYC, which is level 2, address proof verification is required and your withdrawal limit will increase up to 2 million, and again there is no trading limits on futures or spot and there is no limit on maximum leverage also. That's how if you want to get started with KYC on the Blofin exchange. And if we speak about the leverage offered, which is a very important feature that any crypto trader looks for while registering on any exchange. If you're wanting to trade futures and perpetuals, leverage will help you maximize the potential returns that you can derive from your capital. Right now, the leverage offered at Bybit exchange is 1x to 100x, and depending upon the amount of the risk that you're taking, your leverage will increase or decrease. For example, if you want to use maximum leverage of 100x, your position size cannot be more than 2 million. But let's say if you want to increase it to 3 million to 4 million, you can do, but your leverage will reduce from 100 to 75 to 70x. So that's how the leverage works on Bybit, and it is an auto-adjusted feature on Bybit for the security and safety of its users. Speaking of leverage on Blofin, the maximum leverage offered on Blofin is 150x. So it depends upon which trading pair that you are trading, the leverage will decrease or increase. So for example, if you are taking leverage of 150x, your amount cannot be more than 2.5 BTC. And similarly, if you are taking a position of 5 5 Bitcoin to 10 Bitcoin, then your maximum leverage cannot be more than 100x. So let's say if I change the trading pair, your maximum leverage, for example, in Aave/USDT trading pair, your maximum leverage can be 50x only no matter what. So that's how the leverage works on Blofin exchange, and it varies for every trading pair that they have listed. Now moving towards the fees of trading exchanges, you need to pay attention to the trading fees. In similar way, the spot trading fees on Bybit exchange, you can see hovers from 0.1%, and they also follow the maker-taker fee model. Taker is somebody who is taking the liquidity out of the exchange, and maker is somebody who is making and giving liquidity to the exchange. So you can reduce your maker-taker fee in spot trading on up to 0.015% to 0.005%. And if we speak about perpetuals and futures contract, your taker fee is 0.05% and the maker fee is 0.02%, which you can reduce to 0% depending upon your VIP level access and your trading volume. Speaking of fee schedule on Blofin exchange, the general trading fees for spot on Blofin is 0.1% for maker and taker, and for futures it is 0.02% for maker and 0.06% for taker. And depending upon various trading pairs, they keep on running discount from time to time. So right now, if you want to trade any of these trading pairs, they are running a discount up to September, October month. And if you want to further decrease your trading fees, you can apply for their VIP 1 to VIP 5 level access. And since it is a future specialized exchange, depending upon your trading volume, your maker-taker fee can even reduce up to 0%, which is a huge reduction in terms of saving your capital for putting more positions. Let's move on to proof of reserves, which is very important for the peace of mind of the user. So Bybit exchange and Blofin both are maintaining their proof of reserves. Proof of reserves is a unique concept that was introduced by almost all the crypto exchanges 2 years back to prove to the users that they are having enough funds in their reserves to give to its users in case if there is any liquidity crisis or any hack of the exchange. For example, you can see Bybit is having a reserve ratio of more than 100% in many of the trading pairs. For example, if you have deposited 100 XRP on Bybit exchange, then Bybit is holding 104 XRP on behalf of its users. Similarly, Blofin exchange is also showing the proof of reserves. For example, for Bitcoin, they are having a proof of reserves of 147%. So if somebody has deposited 100 Bitcoin on Blofin exchange, then they are maintaining 147 Bitcoins in their reserves to give to the users in case there is any emergency. So this is how the gist of both the exchanges look like. So if you want to use a exchange which is not having mandatory KYC and provides substantial reduction of fees and is having healthy deposit bonuses, you can check out Blofin exchange. And if you want some exchange which is time tested and has provided support to its users in times of any crisis and is having higher number of coins and higher number of leverage and decent deposit bonus, then you can look at Bybit. If you want to check out the best possible deposit bonuses, you can check the links in the description below, because we are the premium trading partners for both the exchanges, and both the exchanges are offering 5,000 USDT deposit bonus. So that's all from my side, and I will see you again in the next video.